Yo, what's up, squad? You guys can see the title and thumbnail. We're gonna do an official cold start. As you guys can see, it's fucking snowing, and shit, it's snowing a pretty good amount. It's like at least 3 inches, at least. And we're about to head to the car. We're gonna see if there's any actual difference, cause shit, it's like at least it's under like 50 probably. I don't even know. I'm not wearing one sweater and shit. But we're gonna see how this cold start is. We got the baby right here. The baby looking snowy and shit. You guys can see it, bro. Look how my hands look. Yeah, that's more than 2 inches for sure. You guys can see the car is right there. We're gonna turn this bitch on real quick. Yo guys, we're about to do this cold start. You guys can see the screen. My hands are shaking because of how cold I am. Here we go, let's do it. Damn, why my hands shaking? I don't think there's no difference in this. It is loud still, but we're gonna see. We're gonna try to open this car. Let's go open this whip. I'm not driving it because I'm gonna get stuck. You guys can see how low I am. I'm gonna get stuck. Let's open this shit. Damn, I forgot to put my lock. Alright, we're in the car. I'm gonna put my lock on real quick. Alright, now we put the lock on top. Alright, ready to go. Damn, the snow's actually thick. This is how the car is looking in the snow. You guys can see. I'm gonna lock it. This whole day is gonna be snowing, so this car is gonna be in. It's gonna be grounded for a little, cause it can't be gone. It can't be moving. Shit. Damn. Just look at this. Alright, we're gonna leave the car alone. That's the video right there. I'm gonna probably do like a side by side of how the car sounds like in the normal, like without snow and shit, and then with snow. Oh my gosh, no way. Deep this shit is, man. That shit is deep. Yeah, but if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm about to clean my driveway because when my mom comes, I need to make sure she don't fall and shit, because we don't want that to happen. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe.